Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting direct access to the files you will edit. Open the game folder or server root and make a full backup. This prevents lost progress if something breaks. Once done, identify which config controls the behavior you want. Server, properties for server settings, options, TXT for client tweaks or a mod, CFG for mod parameters. Make sure to note the file encoding and whether the server is running. Stop the server before editing to avoid overwritten changes. You now perform the careful edits. Open the file in a plain text editor and change one value at a time so you can track effects. After each edit, save and validate syntax. Check commas, brackets, booleans, and numeric ranges. Once changes are saved, restart the client or server to apply them. If you tweak performance settings, measure FPS or tick rate to quantify impact. If adjusting gameplay, test the exact scenario you want to influence so you understand cause and effect. Finish by restarting the server or client and watching logs and console output for errors or warnings. This tells you if syntax or incompatible values caused issues. If something goes wrong, stop immediately and restore the backup copy you made earlier. This is faster and safer than guessing. Make sure to save the confirmed final settings and create a repeatable restore point. That way, future changes are reversible. Key troubleshooting tip. Check logs first. Most misconfigurations are reported.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.